There is a serious problem going on in IT industry. Okay, if your background verification failed, you need to do two important action. The action number one, you can ask justification to your HR or recruiter why your background verification is rejected. You can ask crystal clear information. Even you can ask screenshot evidence as well. Okay, and get the information. Try to get the clarity what is missing in your background verification documents or your background verification form. Try to do the needful immediately. Okay, try to respond them immediately. So this is what happened, this is what small mistake happened, especially for if you do small mistake in your percentage, that will also create major problem. If you change your address, definitely if you submit your address as per Aadhaar, your resignation address will be reflected in your Aadhaar. However, your temporary address will be different. Okay, you need to focus on both the things. Usually in the background verification form, there are two parts: temporary address as per, and also your permanent address part will be there. How long you have been there, okay, and how many years you are living there. In that angle they will expect from your side all the inputs. And the second important action is try to respond to your recruiter properly. Okay, so if you made any wrong thing, you can inform to them, so apologies, this is what happened due to typo error, I have did something, so I have rectified this, please revisit my background verification. Usually once your background verification rejected, they will not reinitiate your case. There are three colors in the background verification status. The first one is green, usually there will be no issue, all success. And second thing is amber, generally this color will appear in yellow color. If they need any additional information, they will put your background verification under amber, they will get the necessary information. And last color, worst color is red. If they put red color, you cannot achieve that company, you cannot join that company, or if you already joined, they will terminate you. That is 100%. And due to dual employment and termination, absconding, so these are all major reason for BGV failed cases. Okay, because you cannot remove the service history, you cannot remove your member ID, you cannot create new UAN number also. Okay, there are a lot of problems happening, and please do some investigation from your side and before submitting your documents. And if you got terminated or dual employment, absconding cases, even absconding cases is better. You can approach your organization again and try to write your apology letter and try to rectify the problems or pay some amount and get the relief letter. But dual employment termination case, there is no solution. However, there is only one alternative solution. You can contact me. You need to follow my instruction. Okay, don't get the offer and come to me and I want to join in this company, I want to achieve the background verification, this is my dreaming company, I have termination record, dual employment, I need to join this company. Don't approach in that angle. Blindly you come to me. There is an alternative solution, because that is the only one direction I think I am suggesting to many people who are facing problem in the background verification issue, especially dual employment and termination cases. I repeat, you cannot remove or delete your member ID in UAN number, except your personal information and exit information. You cannot do anything. Even exit information also something restricted now. You cannot do end date also for some of the cases. Okay, and hope our channel is helping lot of people. And sorry about that, I could not able to speak with many people because of a continuous call, lot of call volume. Usually I will connect with people after in the evening or late evening only, and definitely, and many people are utilized, and I hope you got the job. And I got response from many people. Some of the people, they didn't pick up the call to get the feedback, they didn't pick up. And if they suspect anything wrong, definitely there might be a chance they will reach me. They are not reaching to me, which means my trick is worked perfectly. And always give thumbs up for this video if you like this channel, or if your friends try to do something, try to submit the fake certificate, dual employment cases, termination cases, you can approach to me. I will try to give the solution to get the job. Okay, if you have dual employment, don't approach anywhere. Okay, even if you approach, they will terminate you. If you don't believe me, go and apply and get termination letter. So that is the one angle, right? So before getting the problem, you need to stop it. That is what I opened this channel. The aim of our channel is, before hitting the door, you need to be careful. Okay, and yeah, absolutely, whatever I thought, I clearly communicated in this video. And be always aware and what is happening in the market. Okay, there are a lot of people have been terminated. There are a lot of layoff is going on right away, especially in Amazon, and big MNCs are sending people out even though they have proper record. Okay, how about dual employment termination cases? You think about it. Okay, hope you got the clear picture, and watch our channel videos. The membership option is available. Please give your support and share this video to your friends and help me to get more subscribers. And you can contact me. My email ID and UPI ID is available to give solution for termination and dual employment cases. And watch this video multiple times and approach to me, and you need to pay the consulting fee. Take care, all the best. Bye bye.